Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today we are doing the I tried it series, and today I'm going to be testing a video or what I saw in a video from a fellow YouTuber, and I'm going to tell you if this actually worked or not. So the video we are going to be testing today, or the platform which we are going to be testing today, was from a video from this YouTuber called Akere. So we are going to be testing what he said in this video, and then I will tell you my opinion if this actually worked or not. Of course, I already downloaded this for the past few days now, and I've been testing it, and now I'm going to be giving my opinion to you. If you are new on this channel, my name is Akere Oluwa. So don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button if you love what I do on this channel. So the application which Michael actually mentioned in this video is called Tropical Crush, and he said with this application we can make instant $10 and it will be paid into our PayPal account. So I went ahead to download this application and I started trying it. So what I noticed with this application, if you have it, I'm also going to be sharing. So you are going to be seeing the application on your screen also while I actually talk. So just give me a minute to start the screen recording on this application, and then you can also see what I'm doing on the phone. And yeah, so I'm starting the screen recording, and yes, start recording. I've started the screen recording, so I'm going to be putting this on the screen right now, so you are also seeing the same thing that I'm doing. So we are also doing it live. So if you come on the application looks similar to Candy Crush. So you are going to be playing the game, and then you are going to be getting tickets. So they call it tickets. Some other websites might call it points, but here they actually call it tickets. And with this ticket, when you accumulate more tickets, then it gets to money, which you can actually withdraw later to your paper. If you see on my screen right now, you see I already have $1.35. Yeah, and this I got from 11,000 tickets. And so this is how it actually works. When you click on play on this website, it loads just like this, just as you are seeing right now. It loads just like this, and then you have to play all these games just like Candy Crush, like I told you. So you have to play the game, and then they give you a task up here, you see, and you have to complete this task also. So let's try to finish this game, and then I'm going to tell you what other things you need to know about this website. So let's just try to finish that quickly. Let's play that quickly. Let's see. I think we are almost there. I think we are almost there. Let's see if we can actually do that. So after you finish playing the game, it will give you points, just as you can see on the screen. It will give you points, or it's called tickets in this website, and then you can also multiply the tickets. You see it right here. When you multiply the tickets times 2, times 5, times 6, times 85, times 100. So the tickets which I actually got from this game, which I just finished playing, or this round which I just finished playing, is 100 tickets. So if I click on times 5, so let's try to do that. So I just click on times 5. So it's going to show an advert, and after this advert, it will multiply 100 times 5, and which is 500. So this is how it actually works on this website. All you just have to do is keep playing this round, and the more rounds which you play, you have to log in every day also. The more rounds which you play, the more tickets which you get, and the tickets which you get can then be traded for money. So you get it, play game, get some tickets, and these tickets can actually accumulate to money. But here's the problem which I actually have with this website. You can actually accumulate lots of tickets. You can accumulate lots and lots of tickets. You can accumulate lots and lots of tickets, but this is actually paying so much. So it's not possible for you to actually earn $10 instantly. This is actually not possible. It's not possible to earn $10 from this particular website instantly, because it's just few money. And then when you try to check on the ladder board how far you've gone, if you click on your money to check on the ladder board to see how far you've gone in, or how soon you can actually cash out from this website, it's just going to go back to the main page. So you are not seeing anything. So you don't know how much tickets you need to actually get to $10. So it has some free spin which you can actually accumulate. You see, when you click on free spin, spin away from this, you can get some coins. The last time I actually spin away, I got dollar from this spin which I actually did. If you spin another one again, you see I got 70 from this spin. So for me to take the next spin, I need to watch a video. So it's all about watching adverts and more adverts and more adverts. So here's my honest opinion about this. The honest opinion will be, can you actually make money from this particular game? It's called Tropical Crush or whatever. Can you make money from it? The answer will be yes. How soon can you make the money? The answer is I don't know. This might be forever. I don't know how long you have to pay or how many rounds which you really have to play for you to accumulate $10. And also when you click on the website and if you try to withdraw your $1 which you already have, when you click on withdraw via PayPal, and then it will just go back because you don't actually have up to $10. I only have